We're going to talk about the skid plate that a lot of us have and use. I like it. Well, as you can tell, it's taken a beating, so it's done its job. But we are using it for something new now, or I am. Maybe you will, maybe not. So what we've done here is we have taken some lead fishing weights and double-sided sticky tape them to the back of the skid to create some front weight bias. I used to run a front-mounted battery right up here, but with the new Power Wagon that I went with, it's too thin to do so. So I had to come up with a way to get some more weight up front. I was initially gonna maybe put something up here, mimic the battery position, and then I thought about the brass bumper mount that a lot of people have. But then I came up with this and the price was right and I already had everything. So super easy. I just cut some fishing weights. Of course, make sure your steering clears at all positions of your shocks. So for instance, right now, ton of clearance, but if we lift the truck up and our shocks are fully extended, we can see that that changes to nearly being no good. So I do admit that I cut these real quick before a group crawl meet just to get some testing out. So I would normally, or will, file these, up so that there's more clearance at all points. But again, when your truck is sitting down, it's got a lot more clearance. It's not a real big issue. So super cheap mod, front weight bias, and you can also see that, under normal driving conditions, it's actually not. It's really about the same height as the front differential, so it's not super high weight. It's not up here. It's not up here. It's still down pretty low. It also helps me keep the truck at the right height that I like, which is low. So it helps me out in a couple different ways, and the price, again, the price was right. So just a tip for everybody to, I guess, take in, potentially try if you're balling on a budget and need a little more weight. It's not too bad. Anyway, let me know what you think.